Hello, this is a quick tutorial to demonstrate how to install Google Gemini on Windows PCs. So I'm going to use two commonly used browsers, Microsoft Edge, and the second one is Google Chrome. So the first method involved Microsoft Edge method. Launch Microsoft Edge and enter gemini.google.com in the address bar and click enter. This will launch the Gemini assistant. Then click on the three dots, click on more tools, and then click on apps and install this site as an app. A window will pop up, give it a name, whichever you want. I'll just use the default one and then click install. Once installed, you will get a pop-up. You can use any options how you want to use this app. You can pin it to the taskbar, start menu, or you can just create a desktop shortcut. I will use a create desktop shortcut option. Once done, just minimize and close it. Next is Google Chrome method. Launch Google Chrome and enter the gemini.google.com. Click on the three dots, go to cast, share, and click on install shortcut. You will see a pop-up. Enter the shortcut name. I will enter Google Gemini-Chrome and click install. This will automatically install Gemini shortcut on the desktop. Now right click on the shortcut properties, go to the shortcut key option, enter any three key combination. The combination should be in form of Control, Shift, or any character, Control, Alt, or any character, or any combination that you want. Select the combination and click OK. Now use the shortcut key combination you just defined and launch the Gemini. The third method. Now this method is completely optional. That's why I never mentioned it at the start of the video. But this method can take your Gemini experience to a whole new level. In a nutshell, it's simply assigning your mouse button to Google Gemini. Now how it works, this requires a mouse with 6 buttons. Now typical mouse have 4 buttons. You have right click, you have left click, you have the mouse wheel button in the middle, and you also have a DPI changing button next to the mouse wheel. Now DPI is abbreviation of dots per inch. Normally you see these in the gaming mouse, but some standard mouse also have this 4th button. So first thing first, you need to have a mouse with 6 buttons. If you don't have it, it's perfectly fine. You don't need to follow this instruction. But if you don't have it, you can get it for like $3 to $6 from eBay, Amazon, or AliExpress, or any other e-commerce site that's available in your region. Once you have 6 mouse buttons, download a utility called X Mouse Button Control. This is a free utility. The download link for the utility is mentioned in the description below. Simply download from the link, install, and launch it. Click on mouse 4 or 5, and from drop-down list, select Run Application. Click on the 3 dots and browse to the Gemini shortcut on the desktop. Click OK and click Apply and Close. And that's it. Now just click the mouse button and enjoy the Gemini without any keyboard input. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to enjoy such videos in future. Thank you.